Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready. Unlock your iPhone and make sure the router is powered so the network is broadcasting. Open Settings and tap Wi-Fi. This immediately scans for nearby networks. You'll see a spinning indicator while it searches. That means your phone is listening. Once you see the Wi-Fi list, look at the top under Choose a Network to find your SSID. Make sure Bluetooth isn't interfering. Turning Bluetooth off briefly can prevent odd behavior while scanning. Now you'll identify the correct SSID. Match the name to the router label or the name you gave it. Strong signal bars indicate proximity. A connected label means your iPhone already uses that network. If multiple similar names appear, pick the one with stronger signal or the exact label on the router. Tap the network to see details, such as IP or security type, and enter the Wi-Fi password when prompted. If prompted for certificates, make sure they match your network. Finish by confirming the status shows, connected, and test internet in Safari or an app to ensure DNS and routing work. If your SSID isn't visible, move closer, restart the router, or toggle Wi-Fi off and on. Interference or hidden SSIDs can hide networks. If problems persist, restart your iPhone, and if needed, reset network settings. But be aware this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. One key tip: check the router's SSID broadcast setting. If it's hidden, you must add the network manually on the iPhone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.